Hey there, Swooz Hudson here in the paint studio at Black Dog Salvage. Today we're going to be mixing it up. The color I'm about to mix up for you right now is called Sage. It's a beautiful pale green that will go with any combination you may have in your house of colors. It's dog bone, a beautiful neutral, go green, really a powerful green. Baby I'm Amazed, and of course we have to add a little bit of black dog. It's 1 part go green, 1 part Baby I'm Amazed, 1 part dog bone, and to add a little depth, a 1/2 part of black dog. Now, because we're working with 4 different colors, we really have to mix up. And you can see how it turns to this lovely gray sage green. The black toned it down, made pretty much a shade of the color. In order to darken a color or make a shade, you add black. But if you are trying to tone a color down, you use its complement. See how simple it is? That's just one of the cool recipes that you can create with Black Dog Salvage Furniture Paint.